Here we have the Mini R50 and R53. This is the year range 04 to 06. These are some half smoked, half tinted red LED rear lights. This is just a quick unboxing video and we're just going to get them illuminated just so we can see what they look like. These are available, and if you just look on our link below, it'll take you straight to our website. They pack really well, so when you order them mail order, you won't have any damages. Fully plug and play. They've got resistors for the LED indicator so we don't have any fast flashing, and they also plug directly into the vehicle's loom, so there's no wiring modifications needed. These are road legal, they're fully E-marked and MOT compliant.